Today I'll be doing an easy twist and curl using design essentials. Stay tuned.
You're bold, loud, articulate and cute, kind of quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen. You're black, love, and confident too, kind of quintessential, and you love in you, baby, you are a queen.
So jumping right into the video, I'm using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate Free Shampoo. I love this shampoo because it does cut down at least 30 minutes of your detangling time, and it's also great for all curl types. So next I'll be using their Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. This detangling conditioner is supposed to soften, moisturize, and also detangle your hair, of course, to leave your hair soft and also manageable. So after applying this conditioner, I let it sit in my hair for 3 minutes and then I rinsed it out. So next I am going to be putting in the detangling leave-in conditioner in my hair. This conditioner quickly penetrated and softened my hair and left it smooth as well. It is very easy for me to detangle, and also it is an ultimate frizz control. So the next thing I'm doing here is I'm actually setting my hair up to be prepped so that way I can do my styling. I am going to be achieving a twist and curl, so this is how I do it. I work in sections first. As my styler, I'll be using the Almond and Avocado Curl Stretching Cream. This curl stretching cream is very thick in consistency, as you see, which I do love, and it also creates beautiful frizz control curls, providing superior moisture definition, hold, and also shine. So right now all I'm doing is brushing the product into my hair, making sure that it covers all of my strands so I can get the best results ever. So after I detangle my hair, I'm just going to start twisting my hair all the way down. Not all the way down, but at least going towards the end of my hair. I'm going to just leave some hair out, and that's when I am going to be applying my perm rods at the end. When I do that, I do like to brush it out to make sure there are no tangles or anything in my hair, and I'm just going to start wrapping my hair around the perm rods until I get to the end of it, and then I'm just going to be smoothing it out and continuing doing the same thing all throughout my hair. I love that this curl stretching cream gives me a whole lot of definition as well. I could also pull off a great wash and go as well. So anyways, I'm just going to continue twisting my hair until I get down to the at least halfway through, and then I'm just going to apply the perm rod and then start rolling it around. This is how my hair looks with all of the twists and curls in my hair, and I will let y'all know I slept in these for 2 days, y'all. Yes, 2 days. I really wanted to make sure that my hair was 100% dry. You can sit under the hooded dryer for this look. I just decided not to, and I wasn't really going anywhere anyways, so it was just best for me to just air dry my hair. So anyways, so now I'm just going to be unraveling my hair. You want to do this very carefully because if you don't, it can cause frizz. So you just want to make sure that you unravel it basically how you twisted it, and then also you want to make sure you separate it the same way. You separate your curls where it naturally separates. So here, as you see, I am just carefully doing this process, and boom, the curl definition is crazy, y'all. I am so in love. If I could just leave it like this, I would, but I also love volume as well, and I love the way that this product also gives me volume with definition. So I'm just going to continue separating my curls. To finish off this look, I decided to add some gold hair accessories in my hair, and this is the overall finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have any comments for me, do leave so in the comment box below. Also check out my description box, as I will be doing a giveaway on the products that I used today. Love y'all.